Dr. Mkono here, your pulmonologist coach, and I want to tell you this is amazing. It is compact. There is the medication. You cannot underestimate how easy it is to set up. And the mask is there if you choose a mask. On, off, so silent. You can hear it, very quiet. Listen to it. And off, there's the liquid again. You just open that compartment, put it in, or you could use a mouthpiece. Up to you guys, but I'm impressed with its easy setup, power, portability, and size. Perfect for the busy days. Before I put it to a test, let's fill it up with some nebulizer. You need prescriptions for this, of course. The liquid is capped and upside down. Somersaults, kids dropping it. Nothing is going to happen. That nebulizer is going to keep going, blowing strong. Try it out for yourself. Thank you.